Next, we will take a look at our CRM application. This application has two views at the bottom, and we have a menu that will redirect us to different views. Let's quickly look at the main home view. I can access this screen very easily from the navigation menu at the bottom, or when I'm inside the menu from the very first button. From here, we will be able to get an overview of our registered companies, our important contacts, all of the sales opportunities that have been generated, the various activities that have been carried out, and the geographical location of my clients and my individual contacts. All of this information is presented in a clear and accessible way. In a similar fashion, I also have the capability to expand each one of these individual views in case I want to enter any of them to explore the information in greater detail, or if I want to quickly view the information in a larger format. Now, if we go to the menu, let's start in order. Let's start with the contacts section, where I have my complete list of contacts and I can enter each individual contact that is related to a specific company. Or alternatively, several contacts can be related to the same company and I can quickly edit the information with this convenient form. I can also create activities with that client, which means I can, for example, schedule meetings, make calls, or send emails. And I can see other important information related to that contact, meaning I can have extra notes to set reminders about important details concerning that particular contact. I can see a graph of the activity flow for that contact, see the opportunities and quotes created with that contact. Now, if we go to the sales team section, here we will find all of our salespeople. We can then access and review their individual information with the option to either edit that information or to add new salespeople to the system. The salespeople are the ones who will be linked to each of the opportunities or to each of my contacts. We have the companies. We have the list of companies, which just like with our clients, we can access and view the activity. We will see the contacts related to that company. And we can also create new companies. Now, moving from the view to the menu, we go to opportunities. In opportunities, we can create new opportunities and see the list of opportunities that have already been created. When we enter this already created opportunity, we will have 4 action buttons at the top. The general information of the opportunity. We will have notes related to those opportunities if necessary, and we will have the quotes already generated for that opportunity. We can generate a new quote. Once this quote is generated, it will be sent to the email of our sales team, the person who created it, so that they have it in their inbox and can quickly send it to the client. Additionally, we have 3 extra buttons available that allow us to quickly and efficiently view the current status of the opportunity. In other words, with these buttons, I can easily move the opportunity stage. For example, I can update its status if the opportunity was lost, if it needs to be reverted to a previous activity, or if the opportunity is closed as a win. If we go back to the menu, we will continue with the quotes. The quotes, we will see the quotes that have already been generated. We can enter any of them to see the relevant information, or we can generate a new quote by filling out the form shown on the screen. Now, if we go back to the menu again, we can start with the last section, which is products, where we will be able to view the products or services available. By simply entering the details for any given product, we will then be able to see all of the potential opportunities that are specifically related to that chosen product.